Hi, my people. So, in lesson 1, we studied about the notes in B, the interval, the number system. Going to lesson 2, we created chords from the numbers that we learned on the first lesson. And actually, we were able to play simple chord progression, mainly the major chords. And we also had a chance to play one song that is Blessed Assurance. So in this lesson, we are going to put the minor chords, and also we're going to try and do something, the inversions of the minor, inversions of the diminished, and then put those diminished and the minor chords in the song and hear how they sound. Okay, we are going to experiment and see how they sound. So, by the way, we are going to also add a passing chord, maybe first inversion, and the minors here and there. So, welcome to lesson 3. So, I would want to start on the minor chords, and we say that the minor chords are 2, 3, and 6. Okay, now these are 2, 3, 6. Key is in B. Nice. So we are going to start with the second chord. The second chord is formed by 2, 4, 6. The first inversion will be 4, 6, 2. The third inversion, the second inversion, this is the first one. The second inversion will start on the 6, 2, 4. So the third chord, 3, 5, 7, 2. The first inversion will be 5, 7, 3. And we are having 7, 3, 5. Now chord 6 will be 6, 1, 6, 1, 3. Inversion will be 1, 3, 6. And then 3, 6, 1. So 6. Root position, first inversion or second position, third position or second inversion. Now the diminished is 7, 2, 4, 2, 4, 7, 4, 7, 2, 1. Okay, now we have already done that. So I'm going to teach you some simple chord progression of the minor. We have 3, 6, 2, 3. I'm going to teach you the progression of the minor. 3, 6, 2. Let's do again. 3, 6, 2. 3, 6, 2. Now using the inversion 3 and 6, what is common in both? So in both we have 3, chord 3. So we are going to change from 5, 7 to 6, 1. Okay? So this will be like this. You learn. Nice. So 3, 6. So from 6, we want to form chord 2, and chord 2 is 2, 4, 6. Already we have a note 6. So we need to drop the 3 to 4, the 1 to 2. So we're having this. So 2, 3, then 6, 6. Then okay, now let's add the minor chords to the song that we are playing so that we can feel the difference. But before we do that, let's talk about the passing chords. So passing chord connects two chords smoothly. Types. We have diatonic passing chord, use notes already within the key. Fast inversion passing chords. You have heard me say about fast inversion. So there is a passing chord called fast inversion. Changes the lowest note for smoother movements. Okay. Now we are going to go to our song, and then but before we go to the song, there is a progression that we had started earlier on, whereby you are counting 4 counts in what do we call it? 4 counts in every chord. So chord 1 we were doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and chord 4 1, 2, 3, 4, back to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can add 2 and 3 before we go to chord 4. So we need to be cautious about the counts. So for us to add 2 and 3, so when you talk about chord 1, chord 2, and chord 3, those are already 3 chords. And how many counts do we have? 4. So you have to know when to put the chord 2, chord 3 before you go to chord 4. You have to experiment and know when to do that. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Then there's 1 count remaining. Then 4. Well, let's experiment and hear how that sounds. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, back to 1. Okay, I would rather play chord 1 2 times and then 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 1, then 2, 3, and then now 4. 4, 4, 4 back to 1. There is something we can do. We can play the chord 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then put the 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Because we are in 4, we only need to change 6, 1 to 7, 2, so that we have chord 7. And on the left side, you are doing 7, 5. Then which will land to 1, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now let's combine them. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then then we are having this. Okay. We can decide to say there is a phrase, end song, a phrase song. We can do a 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. 3, 6. Then 2, 5, 1. 3, 6, 2. Okay, now 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2, 3. Then chord 4, 1, 2. Then you're doing 3. Okay, 2, 6. So this is 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. May do again. So we are starting with the 1, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So 3, 6. Okay, let's now do the song, because actually that is the end of the things we wanted to learn in lesson 3. But it is good that we play the song so that you can know the difference when we were playing only using the major chords, and when now we are adding minor chords as passing chords, diatonic passing chord, and maybe the diminished. Also, this is a diatonic, but you can create any diminished. For example, you can create a diminished. This is 4, sharp 4, then this is 5. Huh? There's something I've remembered that we did not talk about when we were doing the, what do we call them? When we were doing the numbers. There are these notes that are outside the number system. So, for example, we have this one, this, and this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. We have these 5 notes that are outside the key of B. This will be called a sharp 1, all flat 2. This will be called a sharp 2, all flat 3. This will be called a sharp 4, all flat 5. This will be sharp 5, all flat 6. This will be sharp 6, all flat 7. So you can create a diminished before going to 5, like this. So that is it. So this is a F diminished going to 5. The voicing is you are doing the diminished thing, the one that you want to create, and then the 5 of the chord that you are going to, which is chord F. So this is the 5. So that these are the passing chords that are outside the key. These are called non-diatonic passing chord. Anyway, let's focus on the diatonic passing chords today. Also, we want to put 2, 3, 6, 7 in the song Blessed Assurance. So blessed assurance, so blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. So here we can put between chord 1 and 4, we can put the first passing chord, which is called first inversion passing. So first inversion passing chord means on the right hand you're going to have the first inversion of 1, and then on the left you're going to put the 3, and then you go to 4. Nice progression. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Going to 3. Blessed assurance, blessed assurance, Jesus, back to 3, is mine. Then now, what you need to be careful about is the progression of the song. Let me start again. Blessed 1, first inversion, then go to 4. Jesus, now the 3 itself is mine. Then you're doing this passing, which is outside. Dun, dun. This is 6, then 5. You can do the 2, then 5. Okay? Blessed assurance 1, then first inversion. Jesus is 3. Da, 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 da. Then this is 6. You're doing 6, 2. Okay? Da, 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 5. Da, 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 1, da, da, 3, 4, back to 3. Then you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Then 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1. So remember, I don't on the right hand I'm not playing the full chords. I'm just playing the 1 and the 3rd. So ba, bam, bam, blessed assurance, Jesus is mine on the front. Then one ta 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 ta. Then this is my story, this is my song. Say that all day long. Then this is my story,